mindset, networking, and preparation. He advises building genuine relationships with hidden opportunities, applying wisely to sharpen skills, uncover options, and maintaining self-confidence as a bridge to success. Patience and faith are vital while waiting, turning rejections into steps toward the right role and growth or when opportunity arrives. Grow, connect, and trust succeed.
He's also an expert in psychology. The brain believes you constantly say, I'm bad at this or I can't do it. The brain starts to produce proof to that. But if you practice saying they'll improve, your brain builds new neural pathways